We are the 2007 Lamplighter Awards. This man needs no introduction, but for those who don't know, this is a legendary Melvin Williams. Melvin, you just came off the stage and performed, man. Tell us all about it. How you feel?
Man, I feel great about it, man. It seemed like the people responded well, and you know, Carolina, North Carolina, South Carolina, all these Carolinas has been great for the Williams brothers for years, and I did another blessing, and I'm just thankful to be a part of this because I'm proud because you know they've took the time out to recognize people that are in this community and in this city that are doing things that a lot of us don't know about. A lot of us don't, you know, they never heard of their names, but doing great works for the community. A lot of times when, you know, people like us and Dorinda and Donald Lawrence or Kurt Franklin, you know, we overshadow a lot of times a lot of these people, but these are the people that really uphold the community, and so I'm just so thankful that, you know, that Radio One, the part of this whole thing, have just set out to do this, to recognize people that have contributed so much to this community and to this town, you know.
Now, this is our 6th year, so what do you think in just 6 years? You
man,
think
it is absolutely phenomenal, man. I'm just hoping that y'all go 6 times 6 times 6 more, you know, and I want to be on every one of them.
Oh, we're going to hold you to that, Melvin. We're going to hold you to that. Thanks so much for coming, Melvin.
Thank
and again,
you so much
know
for
we
having
love
me.
your music. We love you and your brothers and everything. Anything you want to share with us?
I just want to encourage everybody to keep supporting gospel music and keep supporting wonderful events like the Lamplighters Award, because it is so needed, because there are so many people out there deserve to be recognized.
Absolutely.
Right.
Melvin Williams, the 2007 Lamplighter Awards, performed here, and of course he already said he's going to